Is it hard to get down there?
A little bit. I'll guide you. Want me to guide you through it?
No.
Hey, can you get past? You see that rock that looks like a dam?
Why?
Can you get past it?
Why?
Because I'm gonna throw my GoPro. I was just checking because if I throw it and it doesn't make it.
Don't throw it yet.
I should throw it.
Can you do some weird Spider-Man wall stuff?
Can you go up and then down?
It's gonna hit every side of this rock when I throw it. Hey, if you get caught, you're folding like a lawn chair. Is that really high up?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, jeez. It doesn't look that high up from here.
I know.
It looks like you're maybe 3 feet off the ground.
Is there a sock under you?
Oh, shit.
Look where Natasha is.
Oh, no, you're good to go down. I can make it past that.
Will you break the camera if it's
No.
It's GoPro. We're good.
still? It's rocks.
Oh, wait, scoot back because I don't want it to go down there. It looks like a cavern.
You gotta toss it to me.
I'm going to throw it at, scoot back a little bit more.
I can't go back much more.
All right, you ready?
Wait. I wanna get this.
All right, 3, 2.
I knew you were gonna do that, dude. I knew it.
What do you think about this, bro?
Makes me horny.
Yeah, I can't even tell if it's focused.
Like that. Yeah. Hey. Ooh. This is the flamboyant squirrel. You're gonna go cook it with a stick. Oh, he's angry. You're a slippery pit bull, cuz.
Go, Mike.
Can I get him the closest nostril?
Stop thinking about it. Just go.
You gotta get low.
Bro, this one. That one right there, bro. He's done. Go touch that one. Mike, you're being too slow. Hey, bro. Damn, I'm mad I missed that one.
What's up? I look like a Haitian child. 3. Pigeon walks in. What are you doing? Woohoo.
Hey, bro, he's over there.
Yeah, Pigeon walks into a...
He ain't got no friends. He made a new friend, look.
Come here often. Here, we can take it.
We light soup. What's up? Yeah! Crawdads. Boom, bazam, pow. Who's that? Oh. Do that.
$25,000 old school game. Incest me. The bitch is no sex me. She a lesbian.
Thank you. I'm a native. I've lived here for about 3 or 4 years now.
And she trying to address me, test me. Give the hotel keys like gas cents. You dig? Come from a big, got a vibrating on me like a big.
This is awkward.
What's awkward?
Parkour.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Look, immaculate. I'm gonna poke it with a stick. If I tell you anything, don't forget this. The cheetah is faster than the lion.
The dandelion?
No, no flowers.
The dandelion.
No flowers.
Well, a flower doesn't move.
You don't move. The cheetah is faster than the lion. Okay guys, this is day 7. This is day 6. We climbed the mountain today. I sweated a lot. Alright, here, hold on, I want to see how deep it is. I'm throwing my water bottle down. Holy smokes. Nice. Go.
I got it! Oh my god! It's still recording. It's fine, I got the camera! My heart is beating so fast, that was so scary. Oh my goodness! Be careful!
Ah, dude, this does not look that high up from up there. Throw it. Here, toss it. Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah, just get on the shoulder. Watch her legs. Yeah, watch her ass. She's stuck in the rock.
No, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, I can make it up.
Woo! Thank you.
Was it where I said it was? Way under the rock?
It was like in between, it was in the hole. In
Jesus.
The hole, like, between the rocks.
All right, we're going back.
Someone's doing some cuts.
Hi, my name is Johnny Knoxville, and this is Jackass.
Shoot! Shoot! Stroked. Stroked.